Hi guys, this is Chef Deborah, and today we are going to make, as I told you last time, we will make a madeleine. This is madeleine cake. Madeleine is a shell-like shaped petit fours, which is originated from France. Petit fours means this is a small bite-sized cake, which is very nice and so delicious. Come on guys, let's go to my kitchen and let's start baking now. Please subscribe and click the bell. Ingredients that we need: 130 grams of white sugar, 120 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 lemon zest, 90 grams of melted butter, 2 grams of salt, 5 grams of baking powder, and 3 eggs. For the procedure, cream the egg with the sugar. Just mix together until it becomes yellow pale color. Add the melted butter. Add the lemon zest. Add the flour. Add the baking powder and salt. Just continue mixing until all ingredients are incorporated. And of course, I ready 2 madeleine mold and of course a butter dispenser. I just transfer the butter to the dispenser and I keep it in the chiller overnight or up to 1 hour before baking. Remember that madeleine need a resting time before baking. And of course, if you don't have palm spray at home, you can brush the oil to the mold so that the madeleine will not stick to the pan. After a few hours, I take it out from the chiller and I started peeling the mold by the use of the dispenser. When you are peeling, don't make it full. Leave some space so that it will not overflow to the mold. course, bake it at 185 degrees to the preheated oven for at least 12 minutes. Now it's ready. Now we can sprinkle icing sugar on top of the madeleine. It's very nice. I really like it. When you are drinking a coffee or tea, it's very good. Instead of lemon zest, you can also use orange zest. Take a look inside. It's very good taste. It's buttery taste. And I really like it, This is one of my favorite in French pastry. Here in UAE, I would like to suggest if you can add some strand of saffron and pistachio crumb inside the madeleine. It's very tasty, really. Because here in UAE, they like the aroma of saffron and they always using pistachios. You can try also to put almonds or other kinds of nuts. I'm baking like this before. I tried already. That's why I'll share to you which is nice. I'm just suggesting because right now I'm here in UAE. So I suggested some Arabic flavor. So madeleine is a very small sponge cake with a distinctive shell-like shape. We are using here the Genoese cake batter because the flavor is very similar, but somewhat it is lighter than sponge cake. So guys, don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel of course, and follow me in Instagram and Facebook page. And don't forget to click the bell, okay? So that you will get the notification whenever I uploaded new baking video. I hope you like this recipe, guys. Try to bake it in your home. And again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy baking with me.